No, Maki is good. Maki is fine.
Inom ka lang ng kape, ano ka?
Some coffee.
Ubus na na eh.
Oh, really?
Oo,
Oh,
ubus na.
tell me, I can
Yung number one, copy lover yan si Maki eh.
I refill it. Wait,
Coffee lover.
Copy lover yan eh.
mas nakapulupin niya.
Kape ba yan?
Coffee lover din tayo. Maxi.
Kape ba yan ininom niya?
Maxi
Parang
ng
dito lang
company.
yung... Alin? Nakabawi man lang eh, no?
Pagbalik sa baba, may ano.
Ubus na. May dami yung binulsing.
Ano yun, ano yun?
Pag ganun
Di ba dati?
Maki, you want grape or
Pwede na
coffee?
tayo sa may ano.
Grape?
Sa may kitchen.
Pwede na tayo sa taas. Yung kapag ano, kapag mag-English class tayo. Oh. Tatakot ka na ng maraming Max.
Number one si Jom.
Dalawang ano niya, bulsa, puno.
Kaya magtataka yung mga...
Tapos
Kala nyo naman.
mag-hoodie pa yan para may extra bulsa.
Magtataka yung mga Korean. Oh, ba't wala ng kape dito?
The Maxine?
Yeah.
Parang hindi ka gumana na.
Support na rin eh.
Unti-unti lang, unti-unti lang.
Ako may kaping bara ako naman ako sa ano, dorm. Pwede ko siya.
Doon pa ako nagtitim. Tapos naiinis ako pag wala ng baso.
Okay lang yun, wala namang umiinom nun.
Oo nga.
Basta di pa.
Tapos na mag-birthday si Wilson.
Wala pa si birthday boy, nagbabarista lang.
Yeah, wait. Hold on.
Ano tinitimpla ni Barista Boy?
Yeah.
Kape.
Ngayon ano naman, matcha latte.
Matcha this time.
Eh.
Na may soda.
Tips na gano'n. May chunks.
Tad, same hair sa horse. Sige.
Ano daw?
Parehas daw kami ng buhok ng horse.
Horse.
Oh shit.
Uy!
Gnarly.
Gnarly.
Nar.
Bakit ito na?
Galing niya talaga. Favorite kasi namin talaga yun eh.
Pag kayo nabash.
Sorry.
Pag kami na ba, hindi ka kasama.
Nabash na ako, guys.
Una na siya mabash.
Oh yeah. He said, enormous.
Sorry na kasi.
Enormous.
Guys, hindi ko talaga alam. I'm so sorry.
Sorry po.
Okay lang po yun, ansong naman yun eh.
Na-LSS lang po talaga ako. Ito na po yung public apology.
Kaya mo pag sinasabi mo sa kakausap mo. Eh,
Grabe, parang video call lang ah.
Parang may brush na ako dyan.
Are you alright?
Kasi no?
kinikilig kasi siya guys. Kinikilig. Hindi siya broken. Ito ang patunay, nagbablush siya. Kung mamimili lang po tayo sa comments kung sino.
Ano lang po yan,
siya
filter
kinikilig.
lang yan, filter.
Bakit na paghahalataan ka?
Gago. Kailangan mag-blush din tayo. Tignan mo, gaganon na siya o nanginginig na yan siya mamaya. Nagpapalpitate na siya.
Nanginit ko nga.
Wait! Nandun ako sa Alden. Naalala ko si Ed.
Post ka nga daw, Alden.
Paano ba yun?
Wilson have to mal.
Elden.
Wilson have
Oh,
to.
gawin mo! Ano ako lang?
Ano yun?
Alden post. Gawin mo.
Die wollen nicht aussprechen lassen.
Ano muna yun, malungkot muna. Sabay-sabay tayo, sabay-sabay. Malungkot muna, malungkot.
You do sad face here, and then when you go here, you put out your tongue.
I get that. I can't.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo lang, kaya mo.
Ayan!
Aldi.
Anong credit?
Oh, die lassen, Bruder, die lassen mich nicht reden. Die wollen mich nicht reden lassen. Ja, jetzt ist die Nachricht weg.
Ito na birthday mo.
Nein.
Mag-try na kayo. And this is the cake.
Okay, we can do it now.
And no. This is the cake you
Oh,
can eat the flowers.
Ano ka pa eh?
Mas lasang may spaghetti konti, no?
Ibang nga eh. Ngayon na lang ulit nakakami ng ganyan.
Bro, the Arme. Yeah, ich bin der Arme. Ich bin der Arme.
Malakas tong kaping to.
Wilson, parang kang si Jaren.
Yay!
Jaren is like me.
Mas nauna po siya guys, Dreammaker.
Okay. Masarap yung cake? Yes, sobra. But we didn't try it.
Sarap yan.
Oh, you tried it?
Only the icing.
The icing, okay. Yeah, okay, in 10 minutes we will eat the cake. I will make my wish. 200k stream na yung goals finally! Woo!
Yay! We need a new song na.
Streaming! Kasi, baka yung i-stream. Goes lang talaga, Deja Vu.
I'm gonna be so happy when we can finally perform
What if
Crush.
of tomorrow?
yeah, we can finally perform Crash in front of him.
What crash?
Yung ano,
Crush kita.
Kita. Di mo ba?
I want the comeback. I also want the
We
comeback.
also want
We also want the comeback. We also want the really.
a crash like this.
Yan na.
What if hindi pala yun yung comeback natin?
Hindi.
Kailangan huwag yun na po i-repost.
Yan na lang yung... Na 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 na.
Hey!
Ganyan.
You're my mama!
Yun na lang, yun na lang.
Beautiful one! Oh, my mama!
Baby pa yun.
Sa Mother's Day na lang natin nilabas yan. Next year.
Comeback spoiler.
Pero may ano naman yun, di ba?
Iyak eh. Iyak yung iba. Iyak yung mga members eh.
Kick move, ads random rate, and some back and back and back.
Stop, what did you watching? He was so nice.
Oh yeah. I mean, we were just singing the song.
Drink your coffee. Drink your coffee.
The song is good.
Bro,
Wala
already
na yung mga
done.
pakisahan.
Just
How
not,
much you have? Oh, you did?
no,
Ay,
I'm
nandito sila
drinking
sa
my
Pilipinas.
coffee. Early? No,
Nakita
they
niyo
went
ba?
back.
Oo, pero pumunta sila dito.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch,
Ganze
Danke
Empfehlung.
schön. Danke, Emmy.
There's nothing more
Danke, Emmy.
precious to me.
Emmy.
Ang title nun?
Danke, Emmy. Liebe dich.
Mama.
Hindi.
Hindi
May meet again?
Beautiful one.
Beautiful one.
Beautiful one. I actually like the first one.
The verse?
Your verse. Am I? Even in the darkest
Maganda nga
morning,
yan.
you brought it
Ah,
the
yeah, it
most
was a bit-
delicious food.
Yeah. But I was not a fan of the verse.
Delicious food.
May ano pa ako nun, MP3.
Hey, sana meron tayong video.
Oh, friends wish you happy birthday. Oh, thank you. How do you say thank you?
Shit.
Ah, shit,
Ah,
shit,
shit.
Shit. With some canceling members, was Deutsches Werbung. Okay, do you guys want to learn something in German? What do you want to say?
Trust.
Or say what I taught you already, but be careful what you say. Okay?
Ich liebe dich, mga buta.
Okay, good. Next.
Yeah, that's the only word I know. Stabil my bruda.
Okay, good.
Pabos ka na. Wala ka na masabi. Talo ka.
Meron ba?
Ano? Meron na.
Oh, what else?
Something Freud.
Austria. Bakit? German yun ah.
German. Hamburger.
Bakit?
Hamburger.
Is that so sweet?
8 minutes. 8 minutes na lang, guys.
Hamburger? No.
Iba yun.
No. That's not. Is this
Ah, I know another
hamburger?
German word.
Hamburger, nice.
Tawag na, baka masabihan baka may bako dito.
Ako may alam akong German word. Schnitzel.
Oh, but it's Austrian food. Is it German?
Naririnig ba nila ako?
I have you tried?
No.
That's really good.
Ikaw, Tad, meron ka, Tad?
Guys, hindi
Tigil
nila.
na tayo. Mamaya ano na tayo. Typing ka na dyan.
Be careful, please.
Miss ko na kayo. May nagsabi patitan.
Wala na! That was a funny comment, man. And then, I hear this there, man.
Ano nga yung burger sa inyo? Tawag.
Burger. Also, bro.
Hindi yung sabi mo na kainitan.
Burger King. Burger King. Burger King.
Yung binili niyo.
Schnitzel nga yun.
Ayun.
Doy na.
Meron pa ako.
Cool kay Lloyd eh.
Good
Yung kapihan.
That means good people. Good people.
Kapihan yun sa Korea eh.
But that one comment, it still starts.
We're not gonna read it. Bahala ka dyan.
Sabi ni Annex. Lasing na si Maki, namumula na. Baka mainit lang, guys.
Kasi kakanta ko
Wala
siya
lasing dito.
ng Namumula
Wala lasing.
by Maki. Katay mo na.
Wala!
Sabi na. Ay.
Uy guys, nandito si Kenshin.
Kenshin! Fighting Kenshin!
Alam mo na, Kenshin.
Hi, Kenshin.
Wag na. Wag ka na.
Huwag na.
Promise,
Wag na, wag na.
Kenshin.
Knock.
Alam pa na lang iba.
Good night, Doc.
Hindi na nga namin nahagilap, Kenshin.
Wilson.
Good night, Doc Hansel.
Danish Vesta.
Roland. Alam niyo ba guys, si Kenshin, sumali din siya ng Dream Maker dati. Yes.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I think. Magkasing kayo ng
I
batch.
think I saw him.
Yeah.
Balik pa
Kasi
siya.
ako.
Magka-group tayo, Wilson.
Shut up. Ayun na si Mark.
Oo.
Second one is brilliant.
What? Because I don't wanna,
You don't like the coffee? I mean?
No, because I can't sleep later if I drink coffee.
Ah, yeah, true. But I put...
Ano oras ka naman na tumutulog? Alas 4 na lang
Kaya
umaga.
maingay!
Galit na naman si Maki.
Gusto mo nga. Gusto mo talaga yung kape.
Masarap na yan. Isang lasa ko yung espresso.
There's the living member.
Ano?
I don't know. Something not... Ehrlich gesagt, mein Lieblingsmember hier in der Gruppe. Nein, das kann ich nicht sagen. Sonst jemand herausfinden und dann sagt es ihm.
What he said.
I saw my face! Because the coffee is under.
Under?
Yeah!
What do you mean under?
So, it's really bitter.
Oh, almost done? I don't know, it's still
Next
hot.
time you add more sugar.
More sugar? You don't like bitter? But
Yeah.
it's stronger, it's better.
Baka hindi mo kasi nalo eh. Nasa ilalim yung asukal niya.
I forgot to mix ours.
Pero hindi ko naman nalitawa. Hindi naman Marte.
Okay.
Guys.
There's the Lieblingscapable. Who's your favorite?
El, ba't ganun mainumin yung coffee?
Peace, Rise,
Rise.
Wise, The Seraphim, Blue Jeans.
Mein Lieblingsgruppe ist BTS. Nächste noch.
Rice.
Oh, Rise.
Rice. Medyo TXT. Jeans.
Saka ano,
That's the same thing.
21.
21.
What about Was mit dir, John? Was mit dir,
Lahat
John?
nung sinabi nila.
Ah, okay. Okay. Cool. Cool.
Uy, di mo nabanggit yung idol mo, Megayak.
No, wala na.
Si Megayak.
Megayak po.
Nigaya. Eh, yun dyan.
Megayak, oh.
Ayaw mo rin ito. I don't think it's what.
Megayak.
Megayak yun.
Ah!
Megayak, oh.
Wait, guys. Remember one Eichhörnchen also. Look at Eichhörnchen. Okay, it's okay.
Again.
Eichhörnchen.
Ice Johnson.
Don't say shh. Ice.
Ice Johnson.
Ice.
Wait, what's the last?
Ice.
Ice?
Hyun.
Hyun?
Hyun.
Hyun.
Shin.
Shit.
Ice.
Ice Johnson.
Ice Hyun Shin. Yeah.
Hyun.
Ano meaning nun?
It's a squirrel.
Ice Johnson.
Squirrel.
Bro.
Ah,
But it's a hard word actually to say.
Ano yung I love you?
Shlibidish.
Shlibidish ay Yonshin.
I
love you, Squirrel. I love you, Squirrel.
I love you, squirrel.
Di ba yung I love you girl?
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Square. Kala ko girl. Kala ko girl yung Ice Yonshin. Square
Okay.
pala.
Guys, 1 minute na lang.
1 minute, guys. 1 minute. We didn't even. The candle. Yeah. Do you have the lighter?
There.
May lighter.
Ate Jenny yan.
Wait.
Sige. I hate these kind of lighters. I like the one with the long, so that I don't burn myself.
Pwede yan. Yung may
Yeah,
parang patusok.
yeah. So that I don't burn myself. Oh no. We're holding masks.
Ilang taon ka na, Wilson?
I am 35.
Oh no.
We're holding masks.
Hello, may Chinese na comment.
Okay.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday mo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Wilson.
Wish ka muna, tapos
Make a wish.
Okay. But you already know my wish.
But make it louder so the universe can hear it.
Okay, please. I wish for a comeback. This month.
Wait, make it louder so the universe
I
can
wish!
hear it.
I wish for a new it comeback!
When?
Tomorrow!
Hey!
Okay, wait.
Parinig mo pa.
Wow!
Happy birthday, Wilson!
Wilson.
Okay, Pepero game.
No.
Let's go.
Let's end this live. Thank you guys for
No,
watching.
no.
Happy birthday, Wilson!
Pepero game, Will Jumper, Maki.
You too.
But we already kissed him nung CSE niya. Post
we
ko na
don't-
lang
we
po
don't
yung video.
We don't kiss. Happy birthday, Wilson. Thank you. Zum guten Film. Danke, Nadja. Danke, Nadja. Pengi pizza, no. joke. Is this the pizza? Okay. This is right, and Wilson can speak German. Yes, I can speak German.
Because he is German, he's Austrian.
So yung song. What's euer Lieblingssong von eurer liebsten Gruppe? The favorite song of your favorite group. What's your favorite song of your favorite?
Ako, Crush.
Talk Sexy.
Crush. Me too, Crush. And I also like Talk Sexy. But I think my all-time favorite K-pop, Blood, Sweat and Tears, BTS. I think. Or I answer in English, but the question was in German. Look, that's how confused I am. Kailan kayo gagawa ng channel sa IG? We already have a channel on IG.
Ay,
No,
hindi,
that
yun yung-
broadcast channel.
Our broadcast channel. Oh, is that a thing?
Yeah. Parang bubble ba yun?
Para siyang group chat for
Fans.
naka-public.
Parang yung sa Monkey pa ito. Pero sa bubble ata yun eh.
Ano daw? Alam niyo.
Sa mga patay doon.
We had ice cream, right?
Yeah.
The ice cream.
Let's eat the ice cream. Oh, or we could try your cake.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Shake muna.
Oh, we got so much food now. Okay.
Ice cream cake.
Can you speak German?
Ice
Ja,
cream, yummy.
ich kann Deutsch. Ich kann Deutsch sprechen.
Masarap yung bulaklak na yan. Try mo.
Is that still there? No. Okay, let's go. Next
Let's
cup.
eat.
Wait,
No.
next cup. Next cup.
Let's just drink Coke.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I can't take coffee anymore.
Why?
I won't be able to sleep.
Really?
O
Yeah,
baka magano
let's
ka.
done?
just drink Coke.
Hindi pa.
Okay.
Yeah, and take a...
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's. Muss weg. Viel Spaß noch. Pass auf dich auf. Tschüss. We're out. Coca-Cola, but it's not healthy though.
It's zero sugar.
Let's eat your cake. Let's go.
Kaya na.
Dad,
Continue.
You can't do it.
dahil mahal ka namin, Dad. Andiyan ka pa ba?
Yung siya. Pero ba?
Look. Who's somebody had any plans for your birthday?
Nakikita mo, Dad?
Gonna pick up my parents and my brothers at the airport tomorrow.
Andiyan ka ba, Dad?
And I will also post
Tatlo yan
tomorrow.
para I love you. Hey, we love you. Cross.
Yum.
Yo!
But he loves eating our crust.
Oh no, we're stuck.
Kinain si Crust.
Umutol ka?
No.
Sino mo share?
You got it.
Si LO210.
Did I cut it or you?
Tad.
How should I cut
Ako talaga?
it? How should I cut
Kwento ako, Tad. Roommates tayo sa Korea.
it? You got the best iPhone.
May kimchi.
Ano ba good?
I want to take a picture of the cake.
Oo, picture.
What's on the story? I didn't take a picture
Do you want to take a picture with it?
with it. Yeah, true. Yung paa mo dyan. May tissue pa dito. Yeah, nice.
Again.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, thank you. Drop na lang later.
Bro.
Okay, okay guys. I'm gonna cut it. How should I cut it like this?
For the
Pabilog.
Huh?
The yago. So it's
Yeah, not like this.
Diamond na lang, diamond.
like a mango.
Okay, I'll just start from here. Oh wait, I'm from the middle.
Wait, but your knife is upside down.
Oh yeah, right.
Si Batusay ka ba?
Okay.
Galing naman lang.
Excited for the
Kinakain yan, tao.
Oh really? Okay. I'm not good at
Pero ito talaga yung mga pang birthday
Oh.
Yung pang 7th birthday.
Damn, but the cake looks so nice though. Look
Yeah.
at this. It's so big.
No, I'm favorite.
Yeah! Yeah!
What the heck? It's rainbow!
Totoo.
For real?
Sa loob.
Okay, now here, okay?
Puro kaba na naman kayo, guys.
Oh.
Yeah, you can do it! I'm gonna eat it.
Eat it.
Parang laki.
Why laughing,
Tigas
fam?
pala!
Why laughing, fam? Why laughing, fam?
Palainin mo na lang.
Tigas pala ng flower.
Nothing, fam.
Okay.
May sound yung potential.
Should I cut it here also? Or
Oh, ito lang, ito lang.
Before, right? Okay.
No, that's dangerous.
You know what?
Oh, it's like merengue.
Can I?
Yeah. But make sure you're not eating the sharp part.
Oh, that's so sweet.
But it's good.
Oh.
Tapos may ice cream pa.
That's tissue.
Tissue.
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat. What is that?
Let's eat.
Let's see. Are the people still there? Oh yeah, everyone's there. Okay. Let's eat.
But I feel like
Wala
we
kayo.
should still cut.
Kayo.
Half.
Ah yeah, right.
It's
Oh,
big.
malaki. Malaki yung...
Yung cake mo, pre.
Malaki yung cake ko.
Laki yung cake mo. Feeling ko ito yung hindi nakakain.
Nakakain din niya.
Ay, oo nga.
Malaki,
Ano to?
Guys, yung inipin mo. Gaki.
Baka nga pati ito eh. Kayo nga nakakain din.
Oh, sorry, guys. Hey, oh no, don't do that.
Yan nga, wag.
Because we should promote our song. So, Ghost,
Yeah.
I'm not a
Not because of us
ghost.
typical.
Let's eat!
Let's eat it, guys! Woo! It's a cake. Okay, I have to. No, I still need tissues.
Get a
I
new
still
one.
need the knife, right? Pass it. Pass it down.
Pero may, yun, ito
Ay,
yung door pwede lang eh.
Are you still watching? Are you guys still there? Okay, you guys are still there.
Hindi ka nakukuha ng bago?
Okay. Ang laki naman yung cake.
Pengi ako.
Oh!
Oh! It's marble!
I love you, brother. Okay.
Pengi
I want
ako.
the flower.
Naririnig niyo ba ako?
Yes.
Oo.
Yorobun.
Whoa! It's so big!
Pengi ako.
It's different, ano?
Because he wants to taste the spaghetti.
Really? I thought they were ready.
Sa birthday.
Oh no, sorry, Maki.
Oh!
Okay lang.
It tastes like...
Wait.
Oh! It's the yum! It's the yum!
Oh wait.
Thank you to whoever gave the cake.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Maya.
Thank you po.
Okay. Oh, it's a really. Even though I cut it like that, it's still big.
Oh, yeah.
After all that, it's still big.
Wilson yan eh.
Okay. Are these people still there? New Day, is you still here?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Cool.
Ah.
Wow.
Ano pa balance yung chocolate?
Talaga naman kasi yung sweetness ng ano kasi ng icing and the chocolate, the bitterness of the chocolate really balances out the ano talaga.
Wow.
Guten Appetit!
Oh, guten Appetit is right. Dankeschön.
German sarap.
That means eat well. Wow, it's really good. Okay, well.
Nagkikrave ako, guys. Nagkikrave ako.
Remember my sister Sunny from the boys?
Masarap siguro ito kung naka-tupper.
Her name is Sunny. Sunny?
Yung takeaway.
Pangit malaki na.
Mas masarap to kung may katabing spaghetti.
The boys kicks
Tapos magkalado na ako.
Yung sa The Voice Germany, German language.
How about you sing in English? Wait lang guys. It's like so that we're not a robot. Oh, first try.
German language yung sa German. Pero yung mga coaches Pinoy.
The coaches are German singer, German singer.
Sila Sarah G pa din.
Si Noel Gabango nandun.
No. Nasa West Philippines siya. Ang tawa.
What's an update sa IG? Okay. Later. Happy birthday. Okay, let's chill later. Mamaya na lang, okay? Chill muna tayo. Kain muna tayo ng cake. Ang sarap ng cake. Kasi sarap Sarap. Möchtest du Deutsche? Ja, ich höre Deutsche. Ich höre Deutsche, aber nicht so viele. Bro, Deutschrap ist das Beste. Alle Leute tun mir leid, die kein Deutschrap hören. Die werden nicht checken, wie geil das ist. Die werden nicht checken, wie geil Deutschrap ist.
Namiss ko tuloy yung kabataan. Yung kabataan. Ito yung gig.
Last ng 7th birthday.
Okay,
Kasi may hotdog na may marshmallow.
Na nakatusok
Yun,
sa...
pinya.
Bakit saan sa Repolyo?
Huh? Repolyo? Pinya yun.
Sorry.
Sa amin sa ano yung sa banana.
Ay, wait.
Pakwan.
Oo.
Huh?
Ba't may tutusok?
Pakwan, B. Sa pakwan.
Saan nakatusok? Eh, hindi. Eh, ano kay Tad? For sure, pinya yan.
Sa pakwan, baliw.
Ang
Sorry na kanya pakuhan.
So sa amin ano lang yung sa banana.
What? Sumigaw! What? Sumigaw! What?
Eh, yung lugar kasi namin, pinya lugar. Pinyahan.
Pinya lugar. Sa amin kasi Repolyo.
Sa amin sa buko.
Pero meron din sa Repolyo, diba?
I-drill mo pa bago mo itusok.
Hindi daw sa buko. Yung na puno.
Bakal kasi yun.
Sa akyat pa sila.
Hindi lang sa strawberry. Strawberry nakatusok.
Saan natusok?
Sa strawberry.
Have you ever tried that?
Oh,
Nakatusok sa my birthday.
I mean, your parents are Filipino, so
hotdog.
hot dogs on sticks
Tas marshmallow.
with marshmallows.
No, I haven't tried. But that's weird.
You're not a real Filipino.
Good, good.
Okay, I'm gonna ask my parents tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
If I get, where can I get
Or maybe or June
It's like
7.
it's like street food.
No.
Birthday party food.
Yeah, they make it.
Okay.
Homemade.
Sa grapes.
Tapos itutusok siya sa pinya. Pag mayaman siya pinya.
Ay, wait.
Wait lang
Sa akin
yan.
yun, sa akin Repolyo.
Baka kung ano na may
Kayo,
available.
ano yung tusukan?
Oo. Sumutusok pa sa'yo.
Sige ba?
Damn!
One. You also want jump?
Habang,
Pwede ba magpatugtog pa nagla-live? Bawal.
pwede yata.
Di ba copyright?
But I think copyright
Pwede yung free music.
or our music. You think it's okay?
Ayaw ka. Oh, Repolyo din kanila.
Guys, wait,
Yung lugar kasi namin pinya.
Wait. I'll be right back.
Nakatira kayo sa pinya?
Hindi yung SpongeBob ka.
Parang kuha ng...
Kamag-anak si SpongeBob.
Kuha ng...
Puro Tagalog, guys. What about English people?
Yung kamar niya sorted.
Oh, same naman daw kayo sa banana na tusok. Sa saging?
Okay.
Oo, yung katawan.
Katawan.
Favorite song ko yan, favorite.
Bro, the first time we heard
Sa
the
upo daw
demo.
pwede?
Upo, ang liit naman
Maliit
nun.
ang upo. Mali mo malaki yung upo sa kanila. Where's the beehive? Hey, Ate Ana is looking for you.
Behind?
Why are you a beehive? I thought you're away.
Or did you mix it?
Oh,
Na-enjoy niyo po yung music video na to, yung nag-shoot tayo.
Oh, I felt
Ako din. Naisip ko na,
pressure, bro. I felt so
parang
pressure.
sa
pero-
feeling. Parang sa feeling.
It's cool.
I didn't enjoy.
Bakit?
Kasi ang ina-expect ko, mga, ano muna, ano tawag doon? Image? Image shots muna. Eh, pinasayaw tayo
sayaw
agad.
agad.
Hindi ako nag-stretching. So, namumulikat ako dyan sa takes na yan, mga takes na yan.
Oo nga, biglaan yan. Tapos pawis-pawis na kagad. Pero masaya.
Can you guys still hear us with the music?
Ay! Nabubutas yung shorts ko yun eh.
Oo nga pala.
God! Hanggang ngayon, parang iba.
Which song?
Because the editing is good.
Kaya nga.
the editing was good.
Tsaka yung mga outfit natin.
Yeah, I like that.
Wilson, wer ist dein Lieblings-Deutsch-Rapper? Mein Lieblings-Deutsch-Rapper ist, Suzalaen. Und ich mag auch
Iba pa yung tsura mo dyan, Maki.
Iba nga.
Mukha ka pang Maki dyan. Ay, di ba akong Mark Vincent?
Pero payat na ako dyan. Payat na.
Pwede ka nga.
Pero yung mata mo iba. Nagpagawa po kasi ng mata si Maki.
Pinalitan niya. Wilson, you deserve every good things in life. Thank you, Rhea. Thank you. Thank you so much. Liebe eure TikTok-Bros. Danke, Amy, für den Herz. Naging MV reaction. True. That is so orange, bro.
Oh, I remember I was so inggit because you did all of you for you made the
Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine.
tawag doon, reaction video. Yeah. Because I was not there because I was sick. I had chicken pop.
I had a reaction video of us four. For some
Tapos sinend niyo pa sa GC. Ano ba pipili ko doon?
Really?
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
I didn't
We
watch
didn't-
it because I'm gonna cry.
But we liked it first time, but I was very could have been better.
No, I feel like we were surprised when we watched this because it's really our first time when we watched it.
Yeah, it was.
Unlike
That's why.
Ghost, we had some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why it was the first.
Hindi nila ako rin guys. Malakas yung sound.
Really?
Really?
Ha? Ay, rinig niyo ba ako?
Oh.
Thank you, Karen.
Ay, we.
Thank you, Anna. Asan po Wilson? Asan po? Where is Wilson? I am here, guys. Hallo. Ich habe jetzt Lust auf Kuchen. Komm, hier gibt's genug. Ich bin schon voll. Nach einem Stück. Nicht mal fertig gegessen. Wilson, love you. I hope you're always happy and healthy. Thank you so much, JC. I love you. Oh, I miss you guys. We miss you too, Princess.
Miss you, Princess.
Ay, hindi release yun, no?
Wilson, wann
Wilson, upload mo yung reaction video.
in Deutsch. Also ich bin in Deutschland, keine Ahnung wann, aber hoffentlich bald mit der ganzen Gruppe.
Wala akong file. Guys, gusto nyo po press 1 guys kung gusto nyo marinig yung version ng English version ng The Day We Meet Again.
I have it on my phone, but it's loud.
Meron din natin si
I think it's okay.
Guys, baka makulong. Baka makulong tayo.
Nakakulong tayo.
Ah, for real?
But it's our song.
Pero hindi siya publicly release.
It's just a different version.
Okay.
Korea, but I guess we are right now in Busan.
Busan.
But do you have
Nasa
the English?
Ubusan.
Oh, I love the English version, really. So
Can
much.
you tell?
Both versions are really
On the day we meet again, wanna see you smile. And I forget the
I think
next.
so.
Wala na.
Wherever you may
Mag-meet type just like the day.
please don't let my hand go.
Hanggang nalimutan mo.
When the days become so hot, I'll be the light that shines away.
I'll be the breeze to cool your day.
Breeze?
Breeze.
A breeze.
You
I'll
say
be the
what?
breeze that
No, no, no.
cool your day.
Wilson, where's the B?
Ang BX.
Ah,
Are you Beyonce?
is it the chocolate thing? The chocolate with the cream inside?
Ah!
Is it that?
I feel like that's it.
This is really good. I actually tried it.
Is it
already.
yun?
I tried it
That's-
already because it looks so
Pero pala-
tempting. It looks so
I
tempting.
thought
Bro,
he
it looks
was
so.
referring to you. I
Ah.
thought you're the beehive.
I also
Like,
thought
this is-
behind. Bro, it's really good. I tried it already. I couldn't wait. Oh yeah, let's listen to that.
Wait, are we allowed to though?
Siguro baka hindi
Cut.
man cut.
Dapat cut.
Oh, cut.
5 seconds each.
Okay.
Chorus.
Only chorus.
The chorus, guys. No. Free chorus.
Huh?
Free chorus.
Because you like it.
Oh, cut!
No,
Okay.
no, I think
No, we can't.
4-8. 1.
Del Ira.
Okay, go.
Oh, cut!
No matter how many
Chorus.
days.
Okay, 1. Go.
Ay.
Wanna see you smile
I'm still
on a summer night. Ooh.
Oh, ganda nga.
Yeah, it was really
But
good.
we were supposed to
And
release it.
this was the first take. This was the first.
Yeah.
And then we did Tagalog.
Yeah.
Don't ever say goodbye, please. Don't let my head go.
Wait, the rap.
On the rap.
Pwede ba i-perform yun?
What if?
On the day when
Tanong natin si Bulls. So nice.
Now, alam niyo na kung bakit the day we meet again. Kasi hindi talaga yung lyrics niya.
Dapat yung pag-Tagalog, ano?
Tama na, makukulong na tayo.
But I feel like it would have been the best if they mix it Tagalog and English. Bro, that will hit different, I think. Really.
We'll perform it.
Tagalog
Tagalog
and English? Oh, that would
Do
crazy.
you want to?
Bro, I really want to. It
Do
would
you
really...
guys want us to perform English Tagalog?
Pero
Day we
ito
meet
si song
again?
naman talaga natin yan, hindi lang lyrics.
Because it's supposed
Mas
to be an
prefer ko
MV.
English.
Yeah.
I think if it mixes...
Kasi
it
yun
will
yung
be
mga pinagandaan natin eh. Kasi
Yeah.
Sa tier 1, tara.
Let's go.
Totoo ba?
Why not?
Wilson, chat mo si Bulls. Ay, joke lang.
But I could honestly... Bro,
Tingin ko wala na siyang pag
Hey!
guys, what's your movie for Wilson?
Mas okay din yung ano ko dito. Yung breasts.
Yeah, me too.
Yes! Na-proud.
Yes!
Ikaw ba dadans? Mas dama mo eh.
Eh, auto-tune.
No! Don't expose yourself! No!
No, it's manual tuning.
Oh, that was really good though.
It's flex pitch.
Hindi sa...
Oh, it's Melodyne.
Mas pinractice natin yung English.
Hmm.
Tapos nung i-record na yung for MV, dapat nito, Tagalog yung ni-record natin. Tapos yun yung nilabas Tagalog.
Ayun, di ba?
Dapat ano lang ka? Alala mo?
Nakaupo lang?
Hindi. Kasi for...
Te amo, Mafer. Te amo. I love you. I don't feel it anymore.
I don't feel it anymore. I feel like it's too much. I don't know how to finish. I want to eat that ice cream.
I think I just drink it for... Oh, 1
Ay, let's see.
Okay.
or too late.
You decide. It's your birthday.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh damn, the people are still here watching, bro. Still watching
I
us.
would feel this way.
Yes, 1 a.m.
Hanggang alas 3 na yata tong live nyo.
Ay,
Alas 12. Alas 12.
Maganda po yun, alas 12. Kanta ng Alista.
13. I thought 3. Alas 3.
3 a.m.
Alas
Until 3 a.m.
Alas 3 is 13. Right?
Ano?
Alas 3. Alas 3 is 3. Alas 3. Meron palang alas 3.
She said, Naju said 1 a.m.
Alas 12.
She said 1
Alay
a.m.
mo, military.
Ah,
Alas 3 eh.
oh no, it's not moving. Alas 3.
Tawa-tawa ka po, joke.com ha. Grabe naman ang panyo.
Ay, stress eh.
Tarata.
Eh. Tulog na tayo ha. Nanginig kami sa
I hear you on the Chinese platform.
Billboard PH. Huy.
Oh, really?
Oh. Thank you po. Shishi.
Xie. Can you show it to me, please?
Yes, yeah.
Tulog na tayo.
Guys, okay lang yan.
Wala na. Asa, PP.
Billboard.
Ah.
Billboard.
I think it's Black Wilson.
Uy, top 3 tayo dun, di ba?
Ano daw?
Top 3 tayo sa
Yeah,
Billboard.
congratulations, New Days.
Thank you po.
Congrats, new days.
Guys,
Sabay-sabay tayo magpalaki ng eye bags.
For the moment, we want
Let's end the live.
No.
Pero game dali.
Happy birthday, Wilson. Thank you.
Happy birthday! I didn't see.
Napagod ba kayo mag-refresh tsaka mag-vote?
Rock, paper, scissors. What?
Oh.
John, why? It's my birthday. Come on.
So what?
It's once in a lifetime.
By age na lang, by age.
ano ba yung age?
O sige.
Okay, for the young. The old. The middle. Who goes first? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Come on!
Di nga si Wilson eh.
Ay, wait lang. Kasali ka.
Bakit ako kasali?
Kung sino yung matatalo?
Kung sino yung matatalo.
Siya yung kala ni Wilson. Oh, game. So, isa lang yung ano. Game.
Wala ba't ganon?
G.
Hindi, lahat ko.
Lahat do, may mahuli lang.
Dapat isa lang.
Lahat do.
Parang,
Puro ka ba na naman po yung mga anak ko?
Why no one wants to play? Why no one wants to play with me?
Kaya, birthday naman ni Wilson eh.
Happy birthday naman ni Wilson.
Okay, now, no. Now you have to. Because you didn't even want it to play in the
Kaya
first
nga.
place.
Ako okay lang, di ko.
No, it's okay. You didn't even want it to play in first place. In the first place.
Kaya ikaw na.
That's why. You first.
Nakaligtas si Tatsa Pepe Ruben. Hindi po, gusto ko din po sumali.
Where?
Ano?
Kalaban ko si Wilson.
I swear, I'm not gonna cut.
Si siya muna.
Hindi, Jack and Boy.
Perfect, di nila ako naririnig.
Kayo mo ng,
bakit
bunso.
ako?
Kayo mo ng bunso, bago ako.
Ano ka nalaman ko? Hindi mo.
Okay guys, habang nag-aaway po
Hindi
sila.
ako bunso!
Sino po ang gusto
Hindi ako
sumali?
Game tayo. Game tayo.
I swear, I'm not gonna talk.
Kalaban niyo po kay birthday boy.
No one's a
Jack
baby.
and Boy.
Isa pa.
Talo ka, bunso ka.
Nag-aaway na po sila.
Oh, panalo ako.
Hindi, talo ka.
Ang sabi ko nila ay si Jom at si El.
Hindi, ano muna yung time, dalawa muna.
Ang ingay niyo mga anak.
Bakit? Bakit ako na ano ulit?
Nag-aaway-aaway na
Talo
sila.
ako eh.
Hindi nila sa bahay.
Talo ka.
Hindi.
Guys, Raya.
Guys, currently, marami na pong
Sabi ko gano'n, no? Bato ako, ikaw si...
away na away. Mag-disband na lang.
Hindi ka na una.
Okay.
Mag-disband na lang guys. Huwag na mag-prepare
Ayan
game.
to! May baseball nyo! Saya, oh! Kiss.
What? It's not about kissing, bro. It's not kissing. It's not kissing.
It's about kissing.
Who, mine first?
Gusto nyo kasi kissing.
Is it like that? Like,
It's not a kiss. It's like
Okay.
how much you can get. Like,
without touching.
it's a break.
Oh, ito, ano na,
If
turn na to.
If you touch
May iba.
Tama ka na.
May iba.
Tama ka na.
if you touch your not, it's a different story.
Dali ng kay KJ mo,
Like
lintik.
the other person like that. Like the other person's holding it. And the other person. Why?
Why do you want to do this?
It's funny.
Then just eat
Hindi
it.
po puro ka ba sila? Puro ka ba?
Hindi, may iba muna.
Madaya.
Ito,
Tama,
sunod.
may inis na.
Play with me.
Because you're games, why do you play these games?
It's a celebration party. We don't play games at a party.
Let's just play, ano? Like that. Poseidon, smile not like that.
Oh, really? You don't want to play with me?
Oh, you play na
Pag si Jom na.
Kaaway pa yun.
Ikaw nga natalo.
Ito sure na to, may iba. Sure na to.
Everyone's gonna play with me.
Oo, okay na. Ay, ikaw, hindi siya.
Mag-away na lang.
Natalo ka.
Sure na to.
Natalo ka.
No,
Birthday mo, bakit ka magbibigyan?
Ako nandyan si Tad sila ni Wilson na una, for sure. Matik.
Ang sabi mo, Tan?
Wala, naglalag na ako. Wait lang, bagal ang wifi ko dito.
Tara tayo, tarutaruhan na.
Tara na.
So, bumalik, kain yung kalat nyo, ha?
Let's go. We want you. It's just
Uwi na nga. Ito nga yung gusto eh.
Bakit natalo ka na? Natalo ka na?
How long do I have to stand here?
Pag si Maki.
Mike, you don't want to go first?
Kaso, sino? Paano yung sunod? Ano yun?
Eh di ba?
Kayong dalawa. Sige.
Kumpiang kami.
Kayong dalawa sunod ah. Kayong dalawa. Kayong dalawa yung partner.
Birthday ba na?
Bakit ka mag-ano?
Ano naman, hindi ko na-website.
Huwag ka
Birthday ba na?
mag-ano ng rules. Ano yun?
Kayong dalawa yung partner. Bakit?
Okay.
Okay,
You want part?
Kayong dalawa yung partner.
You want part?
Ano? May ba? O, sige.
Bilisan mo,
Napakadaya na yan. Tuloy. Napakadaya na.
Bilisan mo na.
Bawal na.
Ito kasi ang pakadaldali. Nabigyan mo pa siya ng idea.
Ang pula-pula.
Tawan-tawa siya eh.
Napakadaya. Ito na muna.
Maiba. Oh.
Iba. Kaya,
Wow, I know I want to play with me.
Ikaw, Be, kasi mas malaki kamay mo. Ikaw.
Ano kinalaman?
Maiba tayo eh. Ikaw mas malaki yung kamay.
Ikaw pinakamaliit yung kamay. Dalawa yung malaki kamay.
Oh.
iba.
Ay ba?
Kinikilig ka na agad. Wala pa.
Ayoko nga kasi.
Game.
Oh, to play.
Iba. Kaya.
Nawala si Tan.
Because nasa internet.
Why does no one? Guys, tell me no one wants to play with me.
Kaya.
Madaya.
Well, no one's to play. No one's to play.
Kaya.
Nakaganon ka, oh. Tapos kami nakaganon.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can. Just pick one. Don't take the chocolate set. Take the dry set. At your part. I'm not. I swear I'm not gonna.
Happy Pepper Day!
I'm not gonna touch you. I'm not.
Makikita ko yung sa live pag nagdayaan kayong dalawa.
Wala.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Hindi mo siya makikita.
I'm not gonna touch you. I'm not gonna touch you. I'm not gonna. Really, I swear I'm not gonna. Okay.
Hey!
I know you're not. No, in your mouth. I go.
Okay.
Just hold it like as small as you can. Yeah.
Why do you do it like that?
What? But that's a lot. Oh, there's a lot. Okay.
Giljom layag!
Magbigyan na
Keep it!
Give here.
He do it like this, bro. Like.
What? Okay, this is drum. Oh, this is drum. Okay, who's next?
Wala, tapos na.
Tapos na. Guys, thank you for watching. Happy birthday, Wilson. Let's end the live.
Kayo ng dalawa. Silang dalawa.
No. Bisa mo na magpatawa.
Who's
Dali
next?
na.
Endline na.
I'm so red.
Bato-topic na.
G.
Bato-topic. Oh, ikaw na. Ikaw na to. Nakita nyo guys, bato ako siya scissors.
Wait. Because I'm the birthday kid, right? That's why I have to.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you do it now.
No!
Ah,
You're
okay.
the birthday boy.
Okay.
Tiyo, ganyan ginagawa niyo.
Wait, oh!
Ah, ito.
Ah,
Hey!
this is not... Oh, ano?
Na.
No, but still.
Oh, si George na.
Charge na.
Ako na.
Ah, okay. Okay. Pick your card. It's okay with you. No, I'm not gonna.
Wala nang gagagatin.
You don't touch your mouth. You don't touch your mouth. Eat it now. It's different. Okay.
Wait, I don't like physical touch. Don't touch me.
No, that Okay.
Sabi ako masama. Wait. Did you eat it?
It broke. Drop, okay?
Here's mine. I think I won.
I think also, wait.
Wait, what's my prize?
Isa pa daw.
No. Can we turn the camera? How to turn other? Okay.
Si Tad naman daw, si Tad.
Wow, look at the cake.
So the right one is John. The middle one is Maki, left one. Yeah, I think you won, really.
Yeah, look.
I think you won, yeah.
This is me.
But
This
it broke.
is me.
But it broke. I don't know if it counts. If it does, it does count. Bombe Kuchen, Bruder. Oh, Leon, Bruder. Vermisse dich. Leon Ehrenmann. Okay. Okay, we're back. Wir sind zurück. What did the people say?
Si Tad naman daw.
Is that how?
How?
Virtual face.
Pwede wala lang nga siya.
Ah, danke, Leon. Liebe dich, Bruder. Leon, ich liebe dich. Okay. How can you this lag? Ayun na.
Ayan, pa-accept daw.
No, is it from there?
Maybe it's Bluetooth.
Okay. Hey guys, happy birthday to me. Thank you for watching, you guys. We love you. Okay? What's that? Tiganim, can you hear me?
Nawala lang ako kung ano mga pinaggagawa ninyo. Puro ka ba?
20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes and then love you mix well, babe. _0. Tuesday, Diana.
Papablatter ko yan sila.
Kasi di ka sinali.
ASMR mode, yeah. ASMR mode. Yeah. Pretty late for them, right? They go to Thursday.
Yeah, it's Monday.
Pero wala naman ano pa.
Nakaligtas ako, guys.
Sayang talaga.
May biljong naman.
Kahit walang pepero pa yan, nak. Hindi na need ng pepero.
C.
Is that right? ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás,
Full
mi
of
amigo?
stress.
Hola. Mi amo, él. Ayúdenme. Spanish. I learned that from Dora. Ayúdenme.
What? I really like you guys. We really like you. Funny, fun. Funny.
Anyways, ah,
Funny, we love you, Funny. Happy birthday, Wilson. Thank you, her. Thank you so much. Wilson, beste Lieblingssänger oder Sängerin in Deutsch? Ah, in Deutsch? In Deutsch? I think Rapper. Ich glaube, nur Lieblingssänger? Ich mag Crow. Crow mag ich. Mir fällt gerade keiner ein. Wilson, Happy
since ikaw ang nanalo, you have to kiss. Sorry, wala eh. Yun talaga eh.
Kiss?
You have to guys kiss.
Di ba ikaw yung nanalo?
Hindi ako nanalo.
Ikaw yung nanalo.
Putol kasi yung amin eh.
Ikaw yung
Ikaw
nanalo.
lang yung buo eh.
Dali, kiss mo.
I mean, kung mas maikli ako, I would
Dali
kiss
na.
you, but
Tagal!
putol eh. Wala eh. Yun talaga yung rules eh. Sorry.
Cool. Guys, matulog na tayo. Joyce, are you tired already?
Magtutuwas na yung live.
Yeah, sure. Do you guys want to go to sleep now? You can finish if you want.
Night.
Guys, Takchi next.
Dakchi. Ah!
Is it
It's
the-
my game.
Is it the chuk?
Yeah.
Nagtimpla na ng kape si Maki.
Bad in this game.
Sana kung merong ano, P-Pop Olympics. Sana may Dakchi.
Oh!
Si-
Olympics, bro. Oh, I'm gonna put
Kung na to
my-
sa Dakchi na to.
I'm gonna destroy. Ich thought this is for like ausgepnest. Ich thought this is special.
Sana may taekwondo saan.
Bro, that would be cool, taekwondo.
But how?
I think you will win, bro.
Eh, siya lang naman naglalaro.
Pinasok yun hindi naglalaro.
Sa party.
Shake me the photo. Oh, shake me the dress. Shake me the photo.
Maki, namumula ka na.
Thank you, Bea. Thank you, salamat. Miss you, John. See you sa next one. I miss you too. Thanks so much.
Easy mo.
Pahingin ng cake. How?
Bro, I was reading key.
Cake. Cake.
Okay.
Cake.
See you sa blackout. Oh, is this
June
14? 14?
See you po!
See you on 14.
Sure na ba yun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ask it, and yeah.
Yeah. Nagpapakit siya.
His mic is muted. Thought your mic is muted.
Ayan, hindi na.
Okay.
Nagtimpla na naman ng kape si Maki.
Really?
Night Spike. Hindi ako makakatulog pa ng kape pa.
What language can you speak? I can speak
Ikaw lang tayo magpa-practice nung ano.
a little bit though. Basics.
No, I
Basics.
have no. I can't converse with.
Basic also. No. Yes.
Ah, but I forgot no.
Oh,
I only know.
Oo nga, no, anong pasalubong ko sa kanila? Ano gusto niyo pasalubong? Except kiss.
No, I use Powys.
Bagnet, baka pumutok-batok nyo guys.
No. May banana ba dyan?
Meron.
Basta ano
Banana.
kayo? Vegan food.
Sarap. Sarap yun.
Pero makunat na yun, baliw. Cornic. Ano ba gusto niyo?
Favorite yun.
Cornic na cheese.
Cornic?
May ganun, di ba?
Hanap ako, sige. Gusto niyo yung pag may tinaas na gano'n? Ano tawag doon? Buto.
Kabayo doktor.
Ano?
Kabayo daw.
Kalaysa na lang, kalaysa.
O kaya ano, bricks.
Ano yun? Bricks?
Yung bricks sa ano sa sahig.
Uwian ko kayo simbahan.
No, it's good. It's my
Gusto niyo windmill?
Yay! Meron na ako. Ang ref magnet daw.
Sige.
Di ba itong Team 7? Dala ko, Yaya. Yaya! Wow!
I love
Is that Yaya the Chinese woman?
Yeah.
Oh,
Also
nice.
Masturbado.
Oh, yeah.
But it's the same of yeah.
Ano yun? Piyaya?
Oh, Yaya.
Magdadala daw sa pinsa. Oh.
Oo.
Yun yung masarap sa
Kapslib yun, di ba?
Oh,
Yes,
look,
coffee. Oh, thank you, Tala! Happy birthday, Tala! Woo!
Nice.
Oh,
Yung kay tayo loob.
I saw Tala in the cinema.
Ah, yes, that's cool. Did you take a picture?
Yeah. But
Did the cashier
it was
recognize
like,
you?
no, it was like, who are you?
That's me! That's me right there!
That's me. Wilson, wann machst du wieder ein Live? Wahrscheinlich morgen auf meinem Privataccount.
Gising pa daw admin ng Tala by Kyle.
Sino, ba't po gising pa po kayo? Kasi nag-work hard sila, eh...
Wilson, I miss you so much. Take care always. I miss you, Rhea. Thank you. Always take care. Draw me some Thunder Dance cover. Wann ist euer Debütdatum? Unser Debütdatum?
25, July
25. Juli 2024. Ja, und wir haben schon Debüt vor fast einem Jahr. Wait on me by Kai Dance Challenge, please! Actually, we tried it today, but it is a very, very
so
mahirap.
hard.
It's very hard.
We'll try again tomorrow.
John, please say Chicharon. Chicharon.
Hey!
Chicharon. Ich muss jetzt oft bei. Ich wünsche dir einen schönen Geburtstag. Dankeschön, Diana. Pass auf dich auf. Komm morgen zu meinem Livestream. Ich gehe morgen auf meinem Privataccount live. Yellow Basket. Yellow Basket. I miss you. See you. I miss you, Carrie. Carrie Lee. I miss
There's a lot of
Ja, könnt ihr mich bitte grüßen, heißt Sarah. She wants us to greet her. Say, ich grüße dich, Sarah.
Ich grüße dich,
dich,
Sarah.
Wir grüßen dich, Sarah. Pass auf dich auf. Sprichst du gerne Deutsch? Ich liebe Deutsch reden, wirklich. Ich bin ehrlich. Morgen werde ich wieder live gehen und werde mehr Deutsch sprechen, also da kannst du mir mehr schreiben. And then promote your hands with some more Globe, GA Tower and Robinson City. Oh. I would have, what is it called? It's like
LED billboard.
Yeah, LED billboard. Add more Globe, GA Tower, and Robinson Safe. Woo! I'm gonna be insane. No, for real.
Good for the picture.
Yeah. Birthday. No! What's up? What's up? Was ist dein Account? Mein Account ist whatever Wilson. Whatever Wilson.
LDR yung basitan. Yes.
He has an account, whatever Wilson. Of TikTok. Pick one member to do an Egyo Wilson. Okay. El!
I do it? I thought together.
Together?
I don't know what did he say.
Well, Yeah.
Galing.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, 7
Paano tayo mag-heart?
more. Ano dapat kasama si Tatsar? Ganun ka na lang.
FaceTime here.
Ganyan. Anong plano?
Ika-FaceTime ka namin.
Sige.
Ito lang yung ano ko, nasabi ko ba yun? Ano sabi ko?
Alin?
Yung ano ko, palayaw. Galing ni Butch.
Si Butch. Alo?
Sabi mo,
Ano kwento natin yan? Birthday mo?
Ah,
Sa DNM.
Yun na lang si Tad. Ay. Sabi ko nga.
alam nila pati paano yung spell Butch.
Namumula si Maki, guys.
balas tama ng kape.
Hirap pala ng LDR, nak.
Ano sabi ko pala? Sorry, patawarin niyo ako. Minsan, bagay sa dus. Meron du, reden, dus oder
English. Oh,
Deutsch.
wat machst du mehr zu reden? Deutsch oder Englisch?
Oo, puti lang talaga ako.
It means what I like more. German or of course, natürlich Deutsch, weil ich meine,
Dad nickname Totoy.
also ich bin gezwungen Englisch zu reden. Also Deutsch rede ich viel mehr gerne.
Birthday gift from members. Kiss.
love.
Oh really, Kiss? Okay.
No, just love.
Pepero game.
Sorry?
No, just love you. Kiss.
No Kiss. We just love it.
Yeah, that's a yes, love.
Parang
Hindi. Sorry na, malapit na ba? 5
Monday,
minutes.
bro. It's Monday.
Hala, oo nga.
Yeah, it's Tuesday.
Tuesday now.
Pablatter niya yan sila.
Yeah, now it's Tuesday.
Oh, ayan. Okay ka dun.
Monday, Tuesday.
It's really your birthday now.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Is the will, Josh? Hala, sino tong nireplyan ko?
Tut mir leid, wenn mein Deutsch ein bisschen komisch ist oder tut mir leid, so lange von Deutsch nicht geredet. Hello, ladies. What happened? So,
No. No.
Der arbeitet jetzt nur in Englisch zu reden. Ja, leider.
Humihilig na yung kasama ko. Tinig niyo ba?
Ilik reveal.
Ay, wait lang, si kuya yun.
Kinikini review.
Sino daw nag-birthday, kakapasok niyo lang. Siya po.
It's my birthday. Birthday!
Pag may FaceTime ba?
Check mo top viewers na.
Maya talk with yours. Her, Dr. Kobe, Miss Maya. Oh, Maya! Hello, Maya! Hello, her.
Dr. Kobe, hello Miss Maya.
Hello,
Hello
Brian.
WC31, hello Trisha, hello Echo, hello Nigel, hello Lolly Rhea. Don't let go of that she Gilles, Rails, Mads, Tiana, Tina, Jenny,
Ikaw kasi.
hello.
Ikaw kasi!
Dad.
What do I do?
Hey. Yeah.
I don't want to go back. I can read your comment. No? What time is it?
Untok na si Jom.com daw.
I saw it. Oh.
Guys, ready na kami gumawa ng bagong fan chant.
Guys, what if gawan nyo na din yung pan-chant yung
ER.
ER.
How does it go?
It's up to you guys.
Oo nga, no?
Isip matulog na may work pa bukas.
2 minutes na lang!
I'll be there every
Nagawa
day.
na yun pala nila. Hindi nyo pinaperform.
Binigyan niyo pa sila ng bagong assignment.
Okay, I say yeah.
You do that.
How about that? You make a heart.
Ay, what was it?
Yay!
Sana nagdikit sa... Ano?
I think it doesn't look so bad.
Hindi na ka-focus kasi sinundot ka ilong. Woo! Birthday!
Birthday!
Go!
Post na.
Yeah, okay.
Wala salo.
Listen, post.
A post? A post.
Si Jong Barang.
Woo! Happy birthday,
Birthday, Wilson.
Happy birthday, Wilson!
Thank you po sa pag-nood nyo.
Ingat
Good night, loves.
Thank you for watching.
Bubuwas.
Good night, Yorobot.
Thank you for watching.
Ingat, thank you po sa sana po
We love you, New Days.
bukas.
See you po sa pag-nood.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night. Sleep well.
Hey, ASMR.
I think we will see each other very soon.
Hey.
Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.